Students, see exercise E. In the following sentence, replace the adjective with adjective phrase. Instead of adjective, you have to use the word adjective phrase from the box and rewrite them. Remember, adjective phrase come after the noun they describe. After noun, you have to write down the adjective phrase. You have to replace it. We walked along thorny bushes. Thorny means कांटे वाले. वो कैसे रास्ते पे चले? कांटों वाले पे. तो we walked along bushes covered with thorns. Covered with thorns is your first one answer. Instead of the adjective, you have to use adjective of phrase, means the second meaning. This is an important topic in history. So a topic, see here, there is options of great importance, with flow, with a great knowledge, of great value, a topic of great importance. Is there any topic of made of iron, covered with thorns, made in Switzerland, liked by many people, full of mud, cruel nature, pleasant nature, to be laughed? So what you have to write a topic. This is a topic of great nature, a topic of great importance. Yes, this answer will come. Important, you have to write this is of great importance. Now see, you have to remove this, and what you have to write this, replace, you have to change the sentence also, na. In the following sentence, replace the adjective with adjective phrase from the box and rewrite them. Again you have to write. So this is a topic of great importance. You have to write this is a topic of great importance. You have to cut all this, na. Why you have to write here A? Because it's the topic, so this is a consonant, a topic of great importance. Third one, we need to paint the iron gates. So iron, is so made of iron. What do you have to write? Made of iron. We need to paint the gates made of iron. You have to change the sentence. We need to paint the gates made of iron. Fourth one, my father is a knowledgeable person. So with great knowledge is your, so you have to write here, my father is with great knowledge. My father is with a great knowledge person. My father is with a great knowledge person. Fifth one, the Swiss watch was given to me by my uncle. So Swiss. So what you have to write? Is there any sentence related to the watch? With great knowledge, value. What you have to write? Suitable, made from iron, made in Switzerland. The watch made in Switzerland was given to me by my uncle. What you have to write? Instead of Swiss, you have to write the watch made in Switzerland was given to me by my uncle. Sixth one, the playground was muddy. Muddy means आपको पता है कीचड़ वाला. So instead of muddy, you have to write full of mud. Seventh one, Kubla Khan was cruel ruler. What type of ruler? Cruel ruler. So what you have to write? Of cruel nature. So you have to write Kubla Khan was of cruel nature. Was a ruler of cruel nature. What do you have to write? Was a ruler of cruel nature. Was a ruler of ruler of nature. Instead of cruel, what you have to write? Ruler of nature. Of great importance, without flow, without great knowledge, made of iron, covered with thorns, liked by many people, full of, made of cruel nature. Now seventh one, some valuable items are missing from the office. So great value is your adjective of phrase. Some items of great value are missing from the office. Some items of great value missing from the office. Mita is a popular singer. So instead of popular, what do you have to write? Liked by many people. Mita liked, L-I-K-E-D, liked by many people. Ninth one, journey from house to the beach was a pleasant experience. Journey from your house to beach was an experience. Was an experience of a pleasant nature. Was an experience of a pleasant nature. Why you have to write here and? Because this is an e, this is an vowel. Ninth one, Veena gave us a suggestion which is ridiculous. Ridiculous means Veena gave a suggestion which was ridiculous. So without to means you are half, you are laughing. Veena gave a suggestion we was fit to be laughed at. Jayant's answer sheet was flawless. Flawless means perfect, without any mistake. Jayant's answer sheet was without see here, which one is here? Without a flaw. Flaw means without any mistake. Now come to the last exercise, that is position of adjective phrase. An adjective phrase must be placed close to noun they describe, otherwise the meaning of the sentence changes. What they describe? They describe the position of a noun. See the example. I borrowed a car from Aman with new tires. What type what they describe? Car. About what they are saying? With new tires. Car with new tires is an adjective phrase. Now see what you have to do in exercise E. Rewrite these sentences by placing the adjective phrase at their proper position. You have to remove adjective phrase from backside and you have to write at a proper place. First of all, read the question. She is a teacher who has worked with children with experience. So what you have to write? She is a teacher with experience who has worked with the children. You have to cut this with experience here and you have to write here. She is a teacher with experience. So with experience is your adjective phrase. Second one, the table was taken away by the carpenter with a broken leg. With a broken leg is your adjective of phrase and you have to replace it here. The table with a broken leg was taken away by the carpenter. Third one, my grandfather with a curved handle lost his umbrella. So lost his umbrella you have to change here. My father lost his umbrella with a curved handle. Jenny with an open terrace bought the apartment. So bought the apartment you have to change is for so Jenny with an open terrace bought the apartment. Fifth one, the man gave alms to the beggar of great wealth. The man gave alms to the beggar. What you have to write? You have to cut all this and you have to write the man gave alms to the beggar of great wealth. Now what you have to do in exercise G? Tick the correct option to make the phrase. Here three phrases given: a noun, adjective and adverb. If they are describing about the manner, so this is an adverb. First one, he laughed in a hearty manner. So this is a manner. So this is an adverb. Second, walking in the morning with a healthy habit. Walking in the morning. So walking in the morning is your, they are describing walking in the morning. So walking in the morning is a noun phrase. हेल्दी हैबिट तो लेकिन किस चीज़ की हेल्दी हैबिट है? वॉकिंग इन द मॉर्निंग. मैंने आपको बताया था ना एक्सरसाइज हमने नाउन फ्रेज हमने किया तो उसमें हमने ऐसे ही किया था, यानी कि हमें जो रिप्लाई देता उसने किया, लेकिन क्यों किया? सो दिस इज योर आंसर, दैट इज आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन, दैट इज नाउन फ्रेज. सेकेंड वन, थर्ड वन, सी परफॉर्म द एक्ट विदाउट एनी फ्लो, यानी कि बिना मिस्टेक के उसने एक्टिंग की. सो दिस इज एन एडवर्ब फ्रेज. The princess was gifted a necklace made of gold. So made of gold is an adjective. Adjective means describing the noun. He is a busy at work. Busy, what he is busy. So busy at work is your noun. Sixth one, he was given a job of great responsibility. Which type of responsibility? Great responsibility. So job is your noun. So this is your adjective describing the noun is a adjective, and before noun there is an before noun phrase there is a noun phrase. So before adjective there is a noun in the sentence. We looked for her in every possible place. So this is adverb of place. His sudden illness. What happened? His sudden illness. So worried us. What they are worrying about? They are worrying about his sudden illness. So his sudden illness is your noun phrase. Ninth one, I love to watch the sunrise. What you love? To watch the sunrise. So this is a noun phrase. What is this? This is a noun phrase. Once upon a time there was a king and a queen. They are talking about this is adverb of time. She joined our team in the end. When they joined at the end. So this is also adverb of time. He works in a diligent manner. So this is an adverb of manner. He will support with all his heart. So this is adverb of manner. This is also one type of manner. The doll is made in China. Where they made, this is a noun. After noun they describing, this is adjective. Playing with other kids is what I like the most. What they like the most, they like to playing with other kids. So this is a noun. And answering the question about that is a noun phrase. Okay, in this way we completed our chapter number 8, that is phrase. Thank you students, bye bye, take care, and write in grammar workbook, and again listen the video. If you have any doubt then please call me.